finishing up the G37. I'm installing an upper strut brace, so that will be the final piece to the G37 suspension for now. And today I'm getting that done. This is a newer version that uses all 3 bolts. I'm about to unbox it right now. And there it is. It is a Megan Racing. It says it fits in 07 to 13 G37. That's the part number. It comes with a sticker, a card, and comes with warranty, and it comes with instructions. There's bubble wrap off. I'm gonna take this off all the way. You've got a lock washer and a nut on this side, and you've got a bolt and 1 washer on this side. Take these off. Bracket. I'm gonna install the bracket first. 3 nuts over here for your strut tower. So get these 3 off. It's a 12mm. Grab your bracket and install it in there. You can only go like this. Gotta maneuver it underneath your wire harness, which can be kind of tricky, but it can be done. Alright, once you got it under there, now just line up your holes. And get your bracket in. And then catch back your 12mm nuts, all 3 of them. I did new strut mounts on my car, so I got brand new nuts to go with it, and I knew I was doing this, so I put back the old ones on, but now I'm going to put my brand new nuts on, and I'm going to put thread locker on it, but each 1 nut at a time. Nuts are caught, and now I'm going to install the other side bracket exact same way. I'm going to remove the 3 nuts and install just the bracket. Needle nose to prep this clip. And there you go. Now your bracket's in there. Once those are all caught, I believe on the other side, passenger side, you'll have to remove this bracket as well, because this clip, I mean, you could just clip the zip tie if you want, but I'm gonna pry it up. Because it's pressing against the bracket. And torque your 3 nuts down to 28 foot-pounds. And all 3 are torqued. I'm going to torque my bracket down. All 3 nuts. And all 3 bolts are torqued to 28. I'll put the Allen through the front so the Allen shows. You can do it either way, but I'm going to put the Allen through the front. Little thread locker on the threads. I don't know how far it's going to go, so I'm just going to put it on. Pass your bolt through with the washer. Now, on the other side, you need your lock nut. You need your lock washer and your nut. Put your lock washer on, and put your nut on after. Everything caught here. I didn't tighten this down because you want to be able to raise your bar up and down to adjust the height. So you can tighten that after you do the other side. Pull through. Put your nut, or you put your washer. And then put your nut last. Adjust it to the lowest setting. So push it down as much as you can and make sure it clears. It should clear your engine cover. I have it adjusted as low as it can go and it clears the engine cover enough. So now I'm going to tighten down both ends. So it's pretty easy to adjust. Just set it all the way down and tighten it. Because if you have it high up or a little bit more, it's going to hit the hood. Flat wrench, 14mm, and 8mm Allen. So I'm tightening it down with my flat wrench and Allen. Final step will be make sure it doesn't hit your hood still. Close your hood down, and see there's nothing bulging, so the hood's able to close just fine. It's not hitting. And that's the lowest setting, so you can't go any lower than that. Now you just rip your plastic off. The job is complete. Polish it up if you'd like. The strut bar is fully installed and polished. I just hit it with a little bit of polish. And it's looking nice and clean. Intakes, I polished those up. I even polished the hose clamps. All the black is now fresh black coating. Even the front cover, everything was polished back to black. Headlights, polished the headlights so they're looking nice and clear. No yellowing or anything. And the car was just cleaned. This is how the wheels are sitting right now, the fronts, after the suspension is fully done. The rears, that's how it's sitting. And I'm going to get an alignment and the new tires installed. I'm gonna have 285s put on. I can't drive the car because the other tire will probably blow out on me. So